tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be cooking is a burrito breakfast. So stay tuned to see how that goes. But I need you guys to smash the subscribe button, hop over to Instagram, follow me there as well, and now let's begin the show. Right guys, so to begin with, I've got some mortadella. What you want to do is open up this bad boy, if you can. We're struggling here. Might have to fast forward that, because it's not good. There's that. Okay. Blam! What you want to do is just chop it up, okay, into bits, right, fairly kind of chunky looking. You just want to make sure you spread them all out, okay, just give it a good you know, squeeze. Well, I'm sure it will anyway, but be a bit extra with it. Now you could use this type of mortadella, you could use chicken, not chicken, what am I saying, sausages, something else, but I've just gone with a simple mortadella. Alright, there's that, get rid of that. Now you want to crack some eggs in there. I've got 6 eggs. Just be careful with the shell. Typical, innit? And I know there's a shell in there because I see it go hide in. Where's the fork? Now you got to dig it out, mate, because that's going to be nasty under your teeth, I'm telling you now. I've got one alternative. Throw out this portion, because I don't want to be making this food with that. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to clear some of this out. Right, sorry about that guys, had to do some adjustments. So we're now down to 2, 4, 5 eggs. Be careful with the shell, be careful with the shell. There you go. Guys, I think there's a sign here saying to me not to cook today. Well, mind you, I haven't cooked for a while now. Are we clear? You know what? We're gonna hope for the best, alright? There's that. So concerned about cracking these eggs now. I should have probably done it separately, innit? Right, there's that. The ingredients into this is simple. Salt and pepper. Okay. Give it a little wiggle about. I just hope and pray that the second egg, no shells went into it, otherwise it's gonna be nasty, mate. Right, there's that. Okay, now you can add other stuff to this. You could add some peppers, you can add some, I don't know, onions, you can put mushrooms, blah blah blah. It's entirely up to you what you want to add to this. Now what I'm gonna do here is get that, turn it on. You get yourself some butter. You get a spoon of that butter and go Bloody hell. Whack! Right? We're gonna do it once more. Whack. Okay. Once that melts, then this goes in. But until then, this sits here and simply so marinate. Right, as you can see, the butter is melted and we have this bad boy here. So what we're going to do is dump it in. Okay, get the rest of that in there. Come on, mate. In you go. In you go. No one is escaping from me. Okay. Let that crack on, put the lid on, and now, whilst that's cooking, we're going to move over to making some sauce. You got yourself a bowl and a spoon. You want to get yourself some ketchup. I should probably shake this first. Right, get yourself some ketchup. Yada yada yada. You want to get yourself some mustard. Yada yada yada. And mayo, I think this is new. We might have to open that, so do that. And then followed, blam! Oh lovely, look at that. There we go. Now, give it a nice little wiggle. Look at those colours coming together. Look at those colours coming together. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that nice? Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful that is. Right? That is gorgeous, mate. That is gorgeous. Voila! Leave that to the side. Right. It's been a few minutes now. Let's put that there. See how we're doing. Looking lovely. Yeah? Can you guys see that? Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it? Right. At the top you can see a bit juicy, that's just the butter. It's not like uncooked egg or anything, but we will, however, flip it over just to get the rest of that bit cracking as well. I mean, it doesn't need to be straight, to be honest with you. It's all going to get mushy anyway, but just for the sake of the video, innit? Right, that's that. I'm going to turn that off for now. Let me get rid of that. Here's what we need. That. Followed by a tortilla wrap. And then what you want to do is put that lovely sauce down in the base. And then just like a pizza, you want to do that. Not fully, leave some bit out clear, okay? This is the main bit you want to focus on. And now, you want to chop it up, slice it up, however you want to deal with it. It's entirely up to you. As long as there is a fair amount on there for everybody. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Right. You know what? I might have to pour this out onto a plate and keep it separate because I'm going to need this again. So let's leave that here. Put the spoon here ready. And then I've got some, if I can open it, I've got some mozzarella cheese. Oh, it's all like stuck together. What's going on? Put some of that on. Lovely. Okay. Now, what you want to do, fold those bits in, fold that in, just be careful not to tear the bread, roll it over, place it in just like so. Okay, we're just gonna do a little check to flip them around, get it all nice and toasty. There we go, it's looking good. You have to just use your hands, to be honest, but be careful not to burn, obviously. Yeah, it's a good thing I say it and then I burn myself. It's incredible. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 4 of them there. They are toasted fairly enough, so I'm just gonna switch it off. They are hot, but be careful. Place them like so. Let's see, is that side done as well? There we go. I'm gonna put two right there. Okay, it is hot. And this one, I'm just gonna chop it up. Where can I hold it so it doesn't burn? Okay, and then that's for show, obviously, so that's what you're gonna get, right? Put one on this side. Look at that running cheese, beautiful. Put one on the other side. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Let me take this off before this burns as well. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your burrito breakfast. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come